Hi everybody, I'm Kirsty Meakin from Nao Nails and welcome to our channel. Sorry, typical YouTube thing. I'm going to show you a brand new product today, and it's a product that removes gel polish from your nails. So let me show you how. So this is the gorgeous box. It's like an unboxing. I feel like we're unboxing, to be honest. I've not used this particular one. I have used something similar to it in the past. Not on the channel, but I've used it, you know, as I've my wealth of experience in this industry. So yeah, basically, let me show you what it is. So inside here, there are 200 pounds, no, not pounds, there are 200 of these little beauties. Nice, and there's something quite therapeutic about this little arrangement here.
No, it sets me on edge.
Does it?
Mm-hmm. Because it messes with cameras.
Oh, it does mess with
Anything
cameras.
that stripes and stuff
Yeah.
messes with cameras, and it annoys me.
There are little instructions at the side here, show you what to do. And there you are, we'll leave the video there then, because that just tells you how to do it. Joking. Pop them to one side. So there are two here. So they come in little rows of two, and you're just going to tear that apart. So we have a little sachet. And you're going to tear here. It's like opening a sachet of ketchup. With less mess.
It'd be good if there was ketchup in there.
One thing you need to do is the same as when you're going to take any gel polish off. You want to break that surface. Now you only need to use the 240 grit file for that. Can you see how that's just getting rid of that top coat? Can you see there's a little bit left there, so we know which bits we need to remove. I've got a colour on, I can't remember the colour, it's one of the Nude Collections ones that's like more transparent, so it's got a little bit of transparency. I have got a little bit of builder underneath as well, a little bit of builder gel. So I'm just going to scuff those up. And what this does, because we are getting rid of the top coat, it can penetrate through to the gel polish that we want to soak off. So what these pads do, they make it a little bit easier to soak off, because you haven't got to, you know, rip up the tin foil or aluminium foil, and you haven't got to use your lint-free pads or your cotton wool to saturate in the acetone. This is all done already, all in the pack. So you're going to tear across, and inside, I'll show you inside. Can you see? That is impregnated with acetone, and I say impregnated because it says on the box impregnated. And I thought that was quite funny, to be honest.
Oh my god.
So pop your finger into the sachet, making sure that the pad is on top. So that little pad you saw that's inside, which has got the acetone on, is on top of your nail. And then you see this part, take that off, that's sticky. So you're basically going to fold over and over again, just to make it nice and snug on your finger.
Oh, so it's like a one size fits all thing.
Yeah.
So even if you've got like massive thumbs, you're alright.
Yeah. So we're going to do this on all my nails. So always have a little cloth handy to wipe all the black off your fingers, because you will get absolutely covered in it.
Shit.
So we've got them on, and we are going to wait for 10 minutes.
A few moments later.
So I want to see what's going on inside. Ooh, look at that. There we are. Look, the gel polish is just peeling off. Let's have a look at this. If there are some bits that aren't coming off, then give it a little bit longer, and I'm sure they'll come off really easily. So I'm just going to buff over this now.
Is it affecting the builder?
Don't know. Nice. Let's check on this one now. Yeah, so you can see it is breaking it down and just lifting off. Very good. So we're going to use a 240 grit file to just file over them a little bit, because I have got a builder gel underneath and I only wanted to take off the gel polish. I didn't want to take off the builder gel. If I left it on a little bit longer and filed away this excess, so if I actually soaked this again, I would then soak off that builder gel. But I don't want to do that at this point. I want to reapply a different colour. So we put a bit of oil on them. We'll finish off with a little bit of oil, lashings of oil. I do like a bit of cuticle oil. Look at my natural nails. They've just got a little thin layer of builder gel they're building the bottle on. But again, like I said, you could reapply and completely soak this off. But I don't want to, because I want to put some gel polish on them now. There we are, that was the unboxing of the polish remover wraps. Pretty nifty. There you are. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook and Instagram. They'll be listed below, won't they? Everything that we've used today. Yeah. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Just talk a minute, just